You ain't gonna like it, but I'm gonna show you how to make over $500,000 this year wholesaling houses. And before you roll your eyes and say, here we go again, just think about it. Most of you guys in wholesaling real estate are stuck in this hamster wheel, right? You get super excited about a new thing that's going on in real estate or wholesaling. You watch a bunch of videos, you get started, you see a new shining object, novations, MLS, wholesaling land, FISBOs, creative finance, the brand new AI cold calling, the new CRM, the script, the market. Then you just keep switching in and out these new little systems subject to all these things. And guess what happens? Nothing. You're still broke year after year after year after year, and nothing changes. I legit have YouTube subscribers here that have been wholesaling for 4 or 5 years that have absolutely done nothing with their lives and made no money wholesaling. That needs to change right now, because you're not really being dumb. You're just being so distracted that you're not getting any success. So let's get real. Let's do the real here, okay? The enemy in wholesaling is not the market or sellers, your competition, regulations, none of that stuff. It's you, bro. It's always been you. It's been you versus you since the start of wholesaling real estate. And if you can't beat the version of yourself in the mirror that doom scrolls on Instagram all day and TikTok and watching women dance on the internet all day, you're overthinking, you're chasing all the hype, you just watch other people live their lives through a smartphone, you're going to lose. And don't hit me with this, oh, wholesaling's illegal. Just let everybody know about wholesaling, right? Unless you can ban somebody buying a house and then reselling it for a profit, which if you go to Cuba, you go to North Korea, yeah, that's banned there. But pretty much until you ban that, you're good to go in wholesaling real estate. Obviously, use a title company, follow the correct rules and guidelines. But if you run things through title companies and lawyers, like, stop freaking out over this excuse. It's literally an excuse of why you can't become successful. I wholesale in all 50 states, proudly. And yeah, it's a little bit of a flex, but I don't care. You can't hide behind regulations is the end of wholesaling. It's your excuse. That is the truth of why you're not getting where you need to be at right now. So let's just talk about wholesaling real estate in general, okay? Wholesaling real estate is not this special, crazy magic process. You find a property where somebody wants to sell it and you write a contract for a deep discount. Then you find a cash buyer to buy it at a discount. So you get under contract for a deep discount, you find a buyer to buy it at a discount. And that in between is your profit margin, that delta, right? So if you lock up a property for $100,000 and you find a buyer to buy it for $140,000, guess what? You made $40,000 in profit. So the question is, well, how do we get to $500,000 a year in wholesaling? Well, the truth is we're going to do 20 deals in 12 months. If you can make roughly $25,000 per deal, voila, you're going to make $500,000. Now, here's the part you ain't really going to like. I'm going to show you how to get there, right? You don't need motivation. You don't need another hype video. You don't need me screaming at you on the camera. Wholesaling real estate for your success is really going to come down to 3 things you're going to make $500,000 this year. Number 1, your time. Number 2, your focus. And number 3, your execution. So let's talk about the first part, time. Most people try to wholesale in what I call the cracks of their life. They have a full-time job. They have to maintain their social life, go to the bars, watch Netflix, go to the gym, hang out, scroll on Instagram. And they try to squeeze whatever time they have between all these cracks in their life and make that their time that they're going to wholesale houses. To be honest with you, like, that doesn't work. And to run a $500,000 a year wholesaling real estate business, that is never going to work. And let me tell you something that you just need to know. I make a lot of money wholesaling, and I have made a lot of mistakes in this business. And the one thing that you are not going to have on the road to making millions of dollars and becoming a true millionaire in wholesaling real estate is balance. Just being real with you, just being straight up. That is the point of being an entrepreneur. You are going to have to sacrifice. I'm not telling you to go ignore your wife or your children, but you're going to at least need to sacrifice something. Because what's happening right now in your life and where you want to be at, you have to give up something to gain something. You have to kill the old version of yourself to get the new version of yourself. And what I've found is if you truly want to get some motion, some real money, you need to put at least 2 to 4 hours every single day of uninterrupted income producing activities. Not learning or watching YouTube videos or through the course, not planning, not organizing your CRM or manifesting, but like legitimately things that actually make you money, right? right? Marketing, following up with leads, making offers, getting in front of buyers. So for 2 to 4 hours every single day, if it produces you income in wholesaling, you do it. And if it doesn't produce you income, you don't do it. You don't pee, you don't go to the bathroom, you don't drink water, you don't go eat food, you don't breathe. Okay, I'm just kidding on the last one. All jokes aside, sure, you go to the bathroom, I guess. But if it ain't making you money, you don't do it. If it's not producing income, it doesn't happen. Caroline wants to call you and see how the kids are doing. Ignore. Talk to her later at like 10 o'clock at night, but there's sellers awake. There's money to be made, baby. So all jokes aside, you know, my number one priority for you is for you just to be producing income. Like that's just the whole point here. And if you have a job, I would highly suggest that you get up at least 1 hour earlier every single day. You will not die having 6 hours of sleep. Do at least 2 to 3 hours of work after work. So from about 5 to 9 p.m. Marketing offers, and that's it. You found your 4 hours for the day. Now, I'm going to say something, and this is very important. Okay, take note. If you're somebody who has no kids, you're young, you're not married, and you live with your parents, a lot of people think that that's like embarrassing and that's bad. But in all honesty, like that's the ultimate cheat code. You have low overhead, virtually zero risk, and only upside. See, I'm not saying that's rock bottom because I used to be those things too. But if you're that subsect of person that is living with their parents and you actually like them, so like you enjoy living there, I guess, and you're not married, you have no kids, so pretty much no responsibilities. If wholesaling doesn't work, what are you going to do? Still live with your parents? Like, I mean, it's fine. Mom makes great spaghetti and meatballs every night. You need to go all in. And I'm just taking this time in this video just to be selfish for you who's actually in that situation. You need to go all in because 17-year-old Zach did, 16-year-old Zach did, and 18-year-old Zach got rich enough he didn't have to be there anymore. But I went all in because that was me in my situation. And I'm telling you right now, you are not going to have another season of your life. You don't have a partner that depends on you. You don't have a dog or cat that depends on you. You don't have actual children who can't survive without you. And you don't need to go spend your evenings with your children and your wife. Ew, just kidding. Where you can just go all in and be selfish for you and your business. The problem is if you're telling yourself, oh, I'm going to wholesale later. I'm going to wholesale when I feel like it. No. Here's the thing, because life happens. And in 2 to 3 years, when you got 2 babies on the way, a pregnant wife, and then a year later, you say, oh no, my wife's pregnant, and now you have 2 kids. It's never going to be the right time. And I bet a lot of parents can tell you below. Again, I'm not married, I have no kids, but hopefully one day I will. I just know a lot of parents, and they all agree the same thing. It is easier to wholesale real estate without kids than having kids. Remember, having kids is a miracle. It's amazing, but you have to admit that it is harder to wholesale real estate when you have kids. There's more stress. You look at life a little different. And we're gonna talk about if you have kids, I'm gonna show you what you can do too. But I'm just telling you right now, you have to go all in, like be selfish. I'm trying metaphorically to grab you by the shoulders and shake you and say, you have to go all in on wholesaling real estate now. There's nothing else you need to be doing except for wholesaling real estate right now. Now, if you have kids and a family, right, find time in between. I'm telling you, at least 2 hours a day uninterrupted. Find the time, wake up earlier, have your partner be with you with this, put at least 2 hours in this business. You will never regret it, and you will go out here and become successful. Now, the second part here is going to be your focus. You don't need to go like super monk mode for 12 months. You don't need to break up with your girlfriend, Emily. You don't need to go block your mom on your phone. What I am asking you with focus is you need to have discipline. So let me get you a very easy filter. If it doesn't make you money and it doesn't make you healthy, reduce it to basically nothing. Reduce it by 90%. That is it. If it doesn't make you money and it doesn't make you healthy, reduce it by 90%. Social media, doom scrolling, TikTok, YouTube binging, no. I mean, I'll probably get, 1 hour a day of social media or whatever you want. Researching the best strategies for wholesaling, no. New shiny objects, no. You get one lane and just focus on it. And you keep going at it until it starts clicking. You see, people in wholesaling real estate that are making like big money, like they're not smarter than you. They're just more disciplined. That's what you need to start doing. They're boring and they pretty much do the same exact thing every day, and it's boring, but their bank account keeps going up and up and up and up. Now, part 3, execution. You need to have Navy SEAL level execution here. I'm going to give you a 12-month blueprint of how you're going to have a ton of success. And it's really simple on purpose. Now, a quote from Bill Gates, and I really love this one, is complexity fails, simplicity scales. Or he said, simplicity scales, complexity fails. Make it simple. Your goal for this entire 12-month blueprint is to get 20 deals in 12 months. That's $25,000 average deal, $500K, that's it. Now let's go over this blueprint, this framework, so you can start having a bunch of success. Number 1, you are going to go out here and pick one market. That's it. You're going to pick one market. One. That's it. You're going to pick one wholesaling market. You are then number 2 going to pick 2 lists. Then number 3, you're going to pick 2 marketing channels. And you are going to run this for 90 days straight. Pretend that I gave you a 90-day sentence, right? There's these old TV shows I used to love, 90 days in jail, or like you're stuck for 90 days in like a prison. And you're pretty much locked in. You can't go, there's nothing else you're gonna be doing here. Now, what are you gonna do? You're gonna have to first pick your market. I prefer you pick a market where the median home price is $500,000 or below, and then the population for the county is above 100,000 people. So if you can pick a median home price below $500,000 and a county that's over 100,000 population, you're gonna be Gucci. Anywhere in the entire country, don't care. ChatGPT it, you'll find it pretty quick. Number 2, you got your 2 lists to pick. One of these lists have to be a government list. I don't care what it is. This can be the probate list, the fire damage property list, water shutoff, tax delinquency, whatever type of government list you can get of an ugly, distressed real estate, I would go get it. And number 2, I would get what I call an earned list. A list you have to actually go out here and earn. So this can be drawing for dollars. You can email blast, sticky notes, inbound leads from that, or even add another niche government list. I would recommend you do that. So then from there, you got your 2 marketing channels. I'd probably just stick to cold calling and texting. If you absolutely hate cold calling with a passion, you can add reverse drawing for dollars. If you don't know what reverse drawing for dollars is, I highly, highly, highly recommend you go to freewholesaling.com, my free real estate wholesaling course and community, and I'll teach you how to wholesale real estate for free. I have an entire course on reverse drawing for dollars. Now you can start making a ton of money with all the terms and strategies. So if you're brand new, I would teach you how to wholesale real estate for free. Make sure you go to freewholesaling.com. I'll teach you right there. But you're gonna do the system for 90 days straight, and you're gonna be putting at least 2 to 4 hours daily with this system. That means you're spending 2 hours with pulling these lists and marketing to them. That is it. Your life gets really boring, but your income gets really exciting. And really, this is going to be your first 90 days. Because in your first 90 days, right, your month 1 through 3, you should be doing at least 2 deals. Get a little bit of, okay, we're getting some traction. Okay, at least 2 deals. It's about 50K. We're getting our swagger back. We're feeling good. Then from there in month 3 to 6, we're gonna go out here and make sure we track our numbers, track our KPIs. We're gonna make sure that we, of course, here have X leads. If we're making this type of money, go out here to X leads. Now I recommend, even if you don't have xleads.com and you have no money, just make sure you get the 14-day free trial. You literally get 1,000 free skip trace numbers. So you can use that for your texting, but make sure you're using X leads to track your numbers here, because you can't really mass text inside of wholesaling real estate without using X leads. And of course you need to follow up and track your KPIs and figure out how many leads you're getting, how many leads per call, all those things we teach inside of freewholesaling.com. But really, what's the number 1 KPI you need to be tracking? From what I always said and what I always say, it's going to be offers. Remember, if you ain't making offers, you ain't making money. And by far, the number 1 indicator of your success in the next 6 months in wholesaling real estate, all I have to ask you, how many offers are you making? If you ain't making offers, you ain't making money. So how do you make offers? Well, offers is an interesting thing, because how does offers get created? It gets created by having leads. How do you get leads? You got to go out here, do the calling, the texting, the marketing. How do you get those? You need the lists. You need the skip tracing. That's how you actually start out here and get success. By really the end of month 6, you should be also looking to add in as much VAs and start hiring. And you should be at least, at minimum, at least 10 to 12 deals done. Your scaling should be good. You should be figuring out what's working, what's not. Hey, this list is working good. It's not working as good. And we're going to be adding a bunch of volume, right? Now we're starting to add more government data. We're actually going to start putting in the high equity list from X Leads. Remember, X Leads has the best skip tracing. If you're using X Leads for skip tracing, you're screwed massively here. That's why the free trial compared to everybody else is the best. And your pipeline is consistently getting deals. You're figuring out what lists work, what don't. You're doing more of what works and less what doesn't. Add VAs, add more volume, get more lists, start making more money wholesaling real estate. Then from month 7 to 9, you're going to go out here and add another marketing channel. I would probably recommend you start adding in direct mail. It's the highest leverage form of ads you can pay for, of paid marketing outside of calling and texting. But I would only do this if calling and texting is already scaled out. You see, the point here is if you're making a lot of money cold calling, right, you're getting at least 1 deal per month from your lists. You put the master list into texting, SMS on X Leads, and you get 1 deal from that. Statistically, if you take that same list and do some direct mail with that list, you're going to be pour at least 2 deals from that. And if you want to start sending mail in X Leads, just go to xleads.com right here, go to the lead section, literally go out here and pull your list, right? So, I mean, standard list, Orlando, whatever you want to do. pull your list, go to residential, and literally there's a direct mail button right here. Click that, say postcards, Orlando. Pricing's pretty dang cheap here, and press continue. Click right here, configure it out real quick, put your info, and just make sure you pick the cash offer postcard right here. And that's how you start doing direct mail on X Leads. But really, you can also just add volume. Like let's be honest. If you found that 3,000 calls on government lists equal one deal, well, why don't we go out here and double that and just do 6,000 calls and get 2 deals? So you can also scale your marketing and just get predictable with your deals. But most people are going to be kind of tapped out doing 1 deal for cold calling and SMS. So you're doing 2 deals. You want to go double it and get 4 deals. Go through the direct mail in there with the lists. And this is an important caveat. If you are actually getting deals every single month from this list from calling and texting it, adding in direct mail to it's actually going to explode the business because it's already been proving by calling and texting the ROI is going to be there. Expect a 5 to 7x return on your marketing. So if you spend about $4,000 in marketing, you should be able to get at least 20 to 30K on the deal. I really wouldn't push or recommend direct mail unless the calling and texting is working, but make sure that's working first, then throw it in the direct mail and all use X Leads through it. Then honestly, from month 10 to 12, just tighten in your dispo, get better at your cash buyers and your dispo. Go out here and just, again, my best advice is do more volume, scale employees and scale what we call talent. And at this point, if you're really hitting $500,000 and you're squeezing everything out, I would consider getting into wholesaling, which is actually taking the properties down yourself and buying them and flipping them. I would add some markets, either a virtual market or another local market. And then boom, you scale that to over $1 million a year. And this is the same blueprint that I did when I was 21 years old. Remember, I'm 26, I'm an old man now. That I did to scale out my income and make a ton of money. So you ain't gonna like this. You ain't gotta be super happy about this. But if you can put 2 to 4 hours in every single day, you are bound to have success and a ton of money in wholesaling real estate. 2 hours minimum a day, 1 market, 2 lists, 2 channels, no flip-flopping or switching, making offers every single week, following up with your sellers as long as it's a lead. They say they want to sell, they used to want to sell. You follow up with the lead every single week in your CRM this way. You need to have X Leads. No excuse, just going out here and getting the deals and becoming successful. Lock in, execute, and get going. Eliminate the excuses and distractions and you're going to be having a ton of success. So guys, do me a favor. If you got any value or the information that I'm saying right now, go out here and do exactly what I said word for word and go out here and get a ton of success. And make sure while you're at it, make sure you go out here and smash the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. This is Zach signing out. Have a blessed one.